gonna show you everything in my old Build-A-Bear closet thing. Slay. Or apparently it's her closet now. Awesome. Hey, stop. I'm debating on selling it just for more money for dolls, because it's been in the back of my closet for years. So like, let me know how much you think I could sell it for, because I have no idea. Everything's kind of fallen down, but let me show you. First off, we got that cheetah print bikini. This is the first thing I ever got in probably 2009 or 2010. A little fairy costume. Oh, there's also this matching blanket for the tankini. This is one of my favorite things. I use this all the time. Hello Kitty robe. I love it. It's so soft. Calgary Flames, little pullover thing. I don't know. Little zippers. I was hoping there'd be actual pockets. We have this Christmas dress. This cheetah print hat screams justice. This is the most 2012-13 thing you've ever seen. Christmas candy cane outfit. There are these two Mickey gloves. I have the full Mickey Mouse outfit, but it's on a bear downstairs, so. Sleeping bag that says dream. This is like plush. Here's a little flower and a little orange bow. Oh, and another flower. In this drawer, these little brushes. The one for girls, because I'm a girl, and so girls have to use this one. A sleeping mask. A passport with my details in it. Slay. Here's a little bone for the Christmas outfit. Girl, do not lay on that stuff. Sunglasses. These little leggings and this shirt. This shirt. This Hannah Montana core shirt. Are you kidding? Oh, this is one of my favorites. This is one of my earliest ones. Little Disney princess. So cute. Of course, we have a pink tutu. Oh, these little pajama shorts that match the mask. Bro, I had a thing for cheetah print, apparently. This denim skirt. Kind of a vibe. These Hello Kitty shoes. Sanrio girls are quaking. Another flower. These little bunny slippers. And these are Mickey Mouse shoes to go with the Mickey Mouse gloves. It also has this mirror, this little hook. This is what the front looks like. And it's like pretty big. I'm gonna go downstairs and find the other stuff, because unfortunately I'm probably gonna have to sell that as well. While I'm here, I'll show you my old Build-A-Bears. This is my first one. I think her name is Strawberry. I can't remember. This is my most recent one. I got her in 2019. Her name is Evie, and because she had a Pokemon dress, but then she also has this cool comic dress. This one I probably named like Spooky or something, because I'd get a Build-A-Bear for my birthday every year, which was in November, and then I would also get one in the summer when I went to Arizona. This is Gracie. Candy cane, pretty original, I know. Oh, a little stain. This was Veronica. I don't actually remember what I named him, but this is the Mickey Mouse outfit. The outfits from downstairs are this little heart dress, this Hello Kitty dress, DC Comics, and Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna organize it now. Here it is. I took pictures. Let me know how much I should list it for, because I genuinely don't know. Thank you.
Oh, look at the little baby. And now look at the big baby. Wah.
just sit here forever?
Well, kinda, unless Bebo shows up.
What the hell's Bebo?
Guys, look!
Bebo!
No! Ah! Oh,
Bye, Jim.
Oh my god, a cute little dragon Build-A-Bear. I bet she's gonna make the cutest little dragon noises. I'm just gonna try that again, because like maybe I didn't hear it correctly. That one's literally worse. Why was it so breathy?
How many of those did you take?
I took 9. Yeah, I did, I think, slightly overcommit.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were.